Have you ever removed a screw from your electric panel and felt like the screw was magnetized? Ever amazed of how the equipment like MRI scan, induction stoves, electric motor, electric transformers or a magnetic levitation train is invented? Behind all these amazing inventions and more inventions like these, there lies a most important law and invention in physics history. In this video, we are going to learn a most important milestone discovery made in the world of physics. Welcome to Mr. Smart. Serving knowledge to make you smart. In 1820, a Danish physicist, Mr. Hans Christian Oersted, observed and invented most important property of an electric current. One day he observed his compass needle deflects when it was placed nearby a current-carrying conductor. Later on his research, he found that the electric current generates a field that is similar to magnetic field, and he named this property as electromagnetism and proposed a law called Oersted law. Oersted's law states that whenever the electric current flows in a conductor, it creates a magnetic field around it. This discovery of electromagnetism and statements made during this discovery sowed a seed for invention of many electrical theories and equipment based on electromagnetism. The important statements of Oersted's law are as follows. The magnetic field generated will always be around the conductor and encircles it. The magnetic field lines generated will be perpendicular to the direction of current flow. The direction of magnetic field is reversed if the current direction is reversed. The strength of magnetic field increases with increase in magnitude of current and decreases if the current decreases. From these statements, it is very clear that the electromagnetism can be precisely controlled by controlling current. This paved the way for a plenty of scientific inventions. Hope you have learned something new. To get more contents like this, press subscribe button. Like, share and comment if you love the video. Thanks for watching.